a.m. I'm driving to Cougar, Washington to go climb Mount St. Helens from the Wormslow's route. All I know, it's gonna be a cold day. All right, 6:15 a.m. We are at the trailhead. There is a lot of snow, but they did a pretty good job just, cleaning the parking lot. We're gonna get started. The temperature is 20 Fahrenheit. Let's do it. So,
Nothing much, just getting ready.
getting ready.
Freezing cold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we start at 6:40 a.m. It's me and Kayvon.
Hey.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah, we're having a good time. The temperature was 20 Fahrenheit, but we started moving. We got moving and we warmed up. So we are exactly 3/4 of a mile into the trail. Looks like it's gonna be a sunny, clear, bluebird day and cold.
Yeah.
But so far, so good. We're happy. She's coming out.
Are we having fun yet?
Yes. We did exactly 2 miles in an hour. It's 7:40 a.m. and we can see Mount St. Helens. So
Yep.
far, it's a beautiful day. What do you think, dude?
It's great, so far so good. Looking forward to the harder part.
Oh yeah, that part. This was the easy part. All right. We might have to put on our crampons pretty soon, but the trail is packed. Skiers did the job for us. Thank you very much, whoever you are. So we didn't have to pack the trail or break the trail. It's nice. It's beautiful. So far, 10 out of 10 experience.
It's 15 out of 10.
It's 8:56 a.m. We're taking our first break. We gotta put on sunscreen. There's a lot of snow here, and so we have to just follow the boot pack that exists here. You can't just do anything else. We didn't bring snowshoes, just regular mountaineer boots and gaiters. But we'll see what happens. Let's do it. I can see Mount Hood. It's really a windy day. We had to put on our crampons and put on Gore-Tex jackets. So we saw some people who had to turn around at the weather station. So we'll see. If we get up there and it's not as windy, we can probably summit. If not, we have to turn around. We're gonna do our best. Let's see what happens. It's beautiful though. We are at 4,320 feet. There's less wind. Hey, how's it going, guys? I gotta get you guys in the video too. Hey, I like your pack. You got mammoth also. Beautiful. Okay, we're on the boulder field. The snow is pretty firm, so crampons are necessary. And a lot of skiers, I noticed that they had to take off their skis and then they have to go up with their boots. So the wind has dropped a little bit. This is pretty good. Good news. Let's see what happens. We're happy. Okay, we are at 5,300 feet on top of the first boulder field. I mean, it was not much of a boulder field. It was actually very cold, extremely windy, but the whole boulder field is under snow, which I love. We have the second baby boulder field, which is not much. I'm going to finish that one. And then we have the steepest part. And after that, we should be good to go if the wind allows us. If the wind cooperates by dying out, we can summit. Okay, it's 4 p.m. I post hold. All right. This is the favorite part of the trail for me. If I can get down the mountain. It was an amazing day. Super cold. But I am very thankful. I got to practice all my winter skills, everything. And basically every gear that I brought with me I had to use. So, okay, I post all again. So you know what, forget it. You guys have a good day. you.